Good morning, Mr. Fry. This is Judge Middleton. Also with me is Mr. Stickley, the Chief Public Defender. Your lawyer, Lori Hines, I don't know whether she's available or not, but we didn't try to contact her. We got Mr. Stickley to be here. In this case, you were charged in file 23701 FY with possession of methamphetamine, possession or sale of a taser, and larceny less than $200. Prosecutor Marvin reduced that matter to the simple larceny charge, and you were supposed to pay $215 as restitution, which you did. You brought in $215 and they put it in your bond account. The problem is then you didn't show up for the sentence. You missed a court date in June. We gave you another court date. You came in on June 14th, so we recalled the bench warrant. We gave you a new court date of June 27th, and you didn't show up on June 27th. Then I did a show cause, and that was on August 16th. You didn't show up for that, so we issued a bench warrant for your arrest, or Judge Pattison did, I guess. He's not here today. So by my calculation, you have paid the restitution and you've done 3 days in jail and the other charges were dismissed. I don't know what Judge Pattison would do, but I think what Prosecutor Marvin had involved was time served and a misdemeanor. And these other charges were dismissed. Now, Mr. Stickley is here with us, standing in for your lawyer, Lori Hines. Would you rather wait for me to reschedule this when Ms. Hines can be here? Or are you willing to proceed with the public defender? Can you hear me, Mr. Fry? Major Tom? Oh, sorry. We have a lot of trouble with this room. Hi, I've got Major Tom in there and he can't hear me. Brian Fry is in there. And I can't hear him. He can hear me, but I can't hear his sound. All right. All right. Thanks. Brian, can you hear me now? Oh, very good. Thank you, Deputy Schrader. Can you hear me now?
Yes, Your Honor. I can hear you.
All right. And I can hear you. As I had mentioned, Mr. Stickley, the Chief Public Defender, is here with us. Your lawyer, Lori Hines, is not. I don't know what she has this morning, but she's generally very busy.
That's okay,
Monday.
Judge.
All right. So my inclination, I got the $215 you posted as restitution. You're still going to order fines and costs, but you've been in jail for 3 days. And my inclination is that's probably what they were looking for. Judge Pattison isn't here. I don't want to make you wait till next week when he gets back. So are you willing to just have me proceed with the sentence at this point?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Larceny under $200. You already entered a plea. The felony charges were dismissed. I want to ask you what the heck you were doing with a taser, but I'm not gonna. How did you get arrested over the weekend?
I was going to the town to get my daughter some diapers.
Are you still out on Steers Road?
No, we sold that place.
All right. Well, I'm going to give you 3 days credit, 3 days. The restitution is $215. There's a $75 fine, $75 crime victims' rights fee, a $50 state minimum fee, and a $150 attorney fee, which is $350 plus $215 is $565. We have $215 of bond. We tried to forfeit your surety bond. I don't know why you didn't show up. All you needed to do was be here.
We had a death in the family the night before. We had a death and it went right through the window.
Who died?
Todd Castleman.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. But anyway, he ended up doing 2 more days in jail he probably didn't need to do. You owe $350. And I'm gonna make that due by November 15th. Can you pay it by then?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. Right now, things
Well-
are been rough and
All right,
tight.
well then, when you get out of jail, I want you to come up here and set up a payment plan.
Okay.
You should get out before lunch.
Okay,
Next
Your
time,
Honor.
show up when you're supposed to. It'd make it a lot easier for all concerned. But you're free to go. The felony charges are dismissed. All right, come up here when you get out and set up a payment plan.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, very good. You're good to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Says ground control related.
You're gonna get BMI ASCAP after you, Your Honor.
I don't know how many bars I have to have before it kicks in.